The calm before the storm. Luzon, jewel of the Philippines, watched over by three eternal guardians. Apo Lakas, the pillar of strength, whose might can move mountains. Diosa Hias, the pillar of wisdom, whose eyes see beyond the clouds. And Bathala Alon, the pillar of heart, whose courage flows through the rivers. But even the strongest protectors must face the trials of nature. From the eastern seas, a storm unlike any other rises. Uwan, the typhoon of fury, with winds that can tear the earth apart and waters that can swallow villages whole. It descends upon Luzon with one desire: destruction. The Guardians feel the tremor of its arrival and prepare for the battle to come. The battle begins. Uwan crashes upon the land, a relentless force of wind and rain. Apo Lakas plants the mountains like shields, holding back the raging rivers. Diosa Hias soars above, guiding the people to safety, calming the storm's fury, lifting the vulnerable to safety. Nature's wrath, Sierra Madre. But even the Guardians cannot shield those who harm the earth. In the Sierra Madre, where greed carved scars into the mountains, nature's fury finds its mark. Landslides crush machinery, torrents sweep away deforestation, and the mountains roar in judgment. The wrath of the land is fiercest upon those who forget their duty to protect it. Triumph and lesson. When the storm finally passes, Luzon bears the scars, but the people are safe. The three pillars stand vigilant, guardians of life and land. Apo Lakas, strong and steadfast. Diosa Hias, wise and guiding. Bathala Alon, courageous and compassionate. And the mountains, rivers and forests whisper a reminder: cherish the land, honor its power, and live in harmony. For Luzon will endure so long as its people